It's been really encouraging to see the way that Bend has grown. But when I first came here about 10 years ago, I was one of maybe 5 Black kids in my school. So when I was getting older and thinking about things like buying a house, that was definitely one of the things I considered. I didn't know if I wanted to settle down somewhere where there was no one that looked like me. I didn't know if I would always be safe. I did end up, buying a house here, and it was hard because it was in a rural area. There's still a lot of work to be done, especially when we consider the history. We haven't even been allowed to be in this state for 100 years. I think the most difficult part was getting the upfront cash. It was really difficult, and the only way I was able to do it was because I have a good relationship with my family.
It's like one of those things that you gotta know somebody that knows somebody, Growing up, everybody that I knew had an apartment, their parents were renting apartments. I don't think I ever had the education before we decided we were gonna buy a house. And then we got a lot of education very quickly.
There's so many creative loans and lending options. There are so many resources out there, and there are people who are willing to help. There are people out here who are kind and who are loving, and everywhere there's hatred, there's also love. So seek it out, be it, and it's meaningful to pioneer for your community. Thank you for considering, and I hope you do it for yourself, because you deserve that security too.